2 and 1/2 minus 9/14. So to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So instead of 2 and 1/2, we can rewrite our question as 2 and 7/14. That's because 2 times 7 is 14, and what you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator as well, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now we're subtracting 9/14, but we have a problem. 9/14 is larger than 7/14, so what we need to do is exchange with our whole number. So if we take 1 from our whole number, 1 less than 2 is 1, but that means that we can add the denominator to the numerator, and 14 plus 7 is 21, so we have 21 over 14. We're subtracting 9 over 14, so 21 minus 9 is 12, so our fraction is 12/14, and if we look at our whole numbers, we now have 1 minus nothing, so that's 1 in our answer, so our answer is 1 and 12/14. Now 3 and 1/6 minus 1/2, so we need to get the denominators the same, so we can rewrite our question as 3 and 1/6 minus 3/6, because 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. But again, we have a problem because 3/6 is larger than 1/6, so we need to exchange with our whole number. If we take 1 from our whole number, 1 less than 3 is 2, and that means we can add the denominator to the numerator, so 6 plus 1 is 7, so we have 7/6. We're subtracting 3/6, and now 7/6 minus 3/6 is 4/6, and now we have 2 as our whole number. We're not taking any whole numbers away, so we have 2 in our answer, so that's 2 and 4/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.